So how can you make a YouTube Shorts video thumbnail on the iPhone? So let me talk about it and try to explain how it works. If you're new here and the first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss explanations and videos like this one. So of course, we would want to upload like a finished file to the YouTube Shorts and make it a thumbnail, but that's not how it works. You can only select the thumbnail from the frames which are already part of that video, right? So in reality, if you want to change the thumbnail, you wouldn't go through the YouTube Studio, but you'd go through the official YouTube app where you can go to your account and check out like your channel, right? And if you go to the shorts mode, you can tap on the three dots next to one of them, tap on edit, and then you can pick the thumbnail. But as I said, you can only select it from the frames which are already part of that video. So if you would specifically want to create a thumbnail which will be your own picture, it has been recommended that you can add it as one frame into that actual short video, for example at the beginning or in the end. So if you were recording or editing that short video in, for example, CapCut, let's say that you would have it finished, the picture that you want to use as a thumbnail, you can add it later, add at the end, and make it very short. Like as I say, it's much less than a second, but it is there. And then when you upload that video to the shorts, you can choose that thing to be the frame that you pick as a thumbnail, and yeah, you technically uploaded one as a picture to the platform. But that is the only way it currently works. If anything changes, I'll definitely make an updated video about it, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.